context in relation to trading comes down to what the market's doing and how it's doing it. That can therefore help you to assess trading setups and identify any new ones. A very basic level of context might be that a market is strongly trending it up, and it looks like it's going to continue to do so. It may, in this case, be more favorable to look for opportunities to go long that fit in with your trade plan. Here's a simple context checklist that you might wish to use and add to. This could be useful in identifying forex pairs or stocks, for example, that are currently trading in a manner that might fit in with your plan. It might also be beneficial for day trading in order to tell you when it would be a good idea to press ahead and when to back off a little. The first thing is that it's really important to align yourself with higher time frames. It's really easy to become blinkered and therefore miss the key market signposts for when bigger market moving activity is likely to come in if you're only ever looking at a chart that's set to the time frame that you trade. By routinely assessing context across several time frames, you're forcing yourself to maintain a constant awareness of what phase the market's currently in. So the next question is which time frames to look at outside of your primary period. Now you may want to look at least 2 higher time frames and probably 3. However, more than this is not likely to be beneficial, and it's probably only going to serve to increase your workloads. For intraday trading, assess context on a daily and a 60-minute chart. And if you think it's going to be helpful, also look at a weekly. If you're swing trading, a weekly and a daily chart with the additional option of looking at a monthly chart. Now, some of this may be a little subjective, and unfortunately, this is often why people struggle to grasp market context. However, with a bit of practice, it does become easier over time. So here's a simple yet effective outline of what you can look for. Balance, trending, price volatility, buying price action, selling price action, and the rating that you're going to give it. As you can see, it does not take a great deal of effort to assess the current longer-term context in the market. It may be something you wish to do every single day, or it might be something that you find is only necessary to do a couple times a week. Either way, if you have some idea of market context, you are going to have a competitive advantage over many other traders out there.